Hello again, it's Harry here, your geriatric nurse from Toronto, Canada. Back for my humble contribution for the care for the older adults and their caregivers. This week, I just wanted to briefly touch on volunteerism, being this week as Volunteers Week.
Welcome to Harry's Geriatric Nursing Insights, where we explore the heart of elderly care. Join us for stories, practical tips, and celebrate our dear elders and their caregivers.
There's been studies correlating the cause and effect between um, seniors who volunteer and positive health outcomes. And some of the research show a very positive correlation between the two. So for example, one study found that if someone is volunteering for equal or more than 100 hours per year, they were less likely to develop a negative health outcomes and functional decline. So I didn't realize how much part of my life volunteering is until I made this video and look back. It's something that I do personally, and hopefully a small contribution to be able of help to be of help to others. Volunteering is a good thing. It can be a fun thing, but above all, it's an opportunity to be able to again utilize the most important tool we have, which is ourselves, and be beneficial in the community. When you volunteer, you get to meet a lot of people, different personalities, and there are different organizations, and they have their ultimate goals. But when you come in, it's you bring in your specialty, your own personality. It's very important that you stay focused, and if you focus on the people that you are helping, because sometimes you get exposed with different personalities, co-volunteers, leaders, and things like this. Sometimes it's may be easy to be demotivated by things that may go on, but if you have the right motivation and the right reason of being there, which is to help the people that the organization is helping, that is less likely to happen. So thank you for people who volunteer, and for those of you, especially the retired ones, know that there are good benefits aside from helping others, self benefits that you may get from volunteering. So maybe look up in your community anything that you may be interested in and may be of help for. Thank you so much, and take care. See you next time.